What's going on, guys? Lon here from Android Authority, and we are here at E3 2015, and we are hanging out with Zynga, taking a look at a couple of their games, and I'm here with Torsten from Zynga, and he's going to show us Dawn of Titans. Okay, so you want to go ahead and just tell us a little bit about what this game is about?
Yeah, I'll give you a quick overview. So Dawn of Titans is a mid-core game. It's a next-generation mid-core game for iOS and Android. And what we're trying to do with this game is create battles of an epic scale with literally thousands of units, soldiers, in battle, in real time, all controllable on your mobile device. So let me show you what that looks like. We're quite excited about this game. What I'm showing you here is just a preview demo, but this is actually all running in real time on the device. And this is where you live. I hope you can see this on camera. So this is your city, and you can see this is all realized in 3D based on our own engine, which is called the Echo engine, which is a high-performance, essentially console-grade mobile engine. So you can see we have advanced lighting effects. We've got real-time trees here, all in 3D, several thousands of them. Here we've got already a city build up, as you can tell, and hopefully you can see it's beautiful. We have lens effects. We've got kind of even slight irregularities on the lens here. So this is where you live, and this is the world. But this game is all about battles. This is about battling other armies and other players in the world. So I want to show you what that looks like as well. And this here is our enemy, and you can see that they've arrived in force. That's us here on the right. And I think it's fair to say that we're slightly outnumbered. Yeah. But what I'm going to do is call in one of our titans. Koholo is his name. And these titans are the big heroes in the game, right? They're the ones who lead your army into battle. And again, hopefully you can see that the visuals here and the character design is really quite awesome. So how does this work? Well, it's all fully interactive. So first of all, I want to show you, we have a huge number of troops here, all in real time, all fully animated. And this is all completely interactive. So I can set up my battle, pre-battle, and tell characters what to do. To do that, I just tap them and just draw whichever way I want them. But I can do that during the battle as well, so the entire thing always stays fully interactive. So let's just show you what that looks like and send them into battle. You can see here my Titan is already approaching the other troops, and he's pretty powerful, as you can tell. He's doing his thing there. And you can see just the sheer number of units that we're able to support all at full frame, which is pretty crazy. So it looks like these guys are in trouble here, so what I'm going to do is, I've got a bit of a secret weapon here, which is my epic.
Oh, wow.
And this is the mighty Hydra, and she likes to spew stuff at people, and she also likes to eat people, actually. Unfortunately, she doesn't mind who she eats. She eats anyone, including your own troops. So she's sorted everyone out here, but there's a huge, battle going on here as well. So what I'm going to do here is just use some of my fireball spells. And again, you can see they're pretty effective. But actually, what the enemy has done is just spawn another probably 1,000 troops here in the background. So I think I need to retreat. So let me just grab my remaining troops here and pull them back. And I've got one last trump up my sleeve, which is my super weapon here. And hopefully you can tell the scale of this game is just absolutely amazing. So several thousand troops, all controllable in real time. It's a PvP game. You battle against other people in the game who have built their own armies, and we think this is a whole jump in quality for mid-core gaming on mobile.
Yeah, it looks really awesome. The graphics look amazing. And as far as upgrades, what other upgrades can you obtain throughout the game as far as building yourself up to play against other players?
It's a good question. There's a whole bunch, and you can upgrade your troops, the people you send into battle. You can upgrade your titans, obviously buildings, but you can also upgrade the plinth and the city that you live on, all the different buildings, the plinth itself, the size of the plinth, and you can add more cities and plinths to your existing plinth. So we have upgrade paths pretty much everywhere because we wanted to create a game that's really deep. So here you see it running on a mobile rather than a tablet. And again, hopefully you can see just the visual fidelity. Let me just show you a few things here. Just the waterfalls.
It looks extremely immersive just because there's that 3D aspect to it. It's not just from the top down. You can kind of get every single angle. That's really
what we
awesome.
try to do, right? It needs to feel like it's a real world. But check this out. So one thing that's really cool is I'm not just on my own. I'm actually in a world, full of people. So these are all real people, all playing, together. And these clusters that you can see are alliances. So when people work together in an alliance, they're clustered together. So you can actually see the might of an alliance on the basis of the size of the alliance, which we think is a really novel way of visualizing it. And again, to your point, it's about being immersive. It's supposed to feel like it's a real world. And so we're very proud of that. So this game currently is in testing, and it's going to be released later this year.
For both Android and iOS.
Correct.
Okay, awesome. Well, really looking forward to this game. Thank you so much for sort of breaking it down for us and showing it off here. And thank you so much, guys, for watching. Stay tuned for the rest of our E3 coverage because we are your source for all things Android and E3 2015.